Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to upload an HTML file on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then go to websites. And next to the website that you want to add your HTML to upload, and next to your website, and next to the website that you want to upload your HTML file on, click on Manage. Now click on Files and Access, and here click on next to File Manager, click on Manage. I prefer this method of clicking on Manage next to File Manager below Files and Access, because if you do it from here directly, let's go back to the website's page. There is a File Manager button here, but I think that here you, instead of going exactly to the folder responsible or linked to your website, you go to the main page, and if you click on the public and even if you access the correct folder, the first folder, which is public HTML folder, you still don't know if you should upload your HTML file here inside this folder or this one, or directly here. So I recommend you to first go to Manage, Files and Access, and next to File Manager, click on Manage. This way you will land directly to the correct folder. Let's delete this useless folder first. Confirm. Now that my website is empty, first I will give my website a visit. Automation, this is what it looks like. To upload your HTML file here, simply click on Upload. A new page opens up, click on Select File. But first I need to create my my HTML file. Let's call it "This is my HTML file." Save it as index.html. This is it. Double click it. As you see, upload completed. Now let's go back to the File Manager app, click on Reload to refresh this page, and as you see, I can see my uploaded file. Now if I go back here, hit refresh, and as you see, this is the content I've just filled into my HTML file. And this is how to upload an HTML file on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.